Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you after you get the access from your friend's account, what is the exact thing which you need to do, because you won't be able to see any kind of ad accounts, you won't be able to see any kind of pages. So first of all, after you click on this link is going to redirect and take you to this kind of page. Enter your name, all the instructions, enter your password, click on continue, right? After you do this, you will see your friend's business manager account, and this account will look like this. It won't have this ad account, it will give you this name, but it won't show you the ad account, right? Also, you won't be able to see any kind of pages in it, right? So after you get an ad account, after you get the access to the business manager, these information will not be available to you. Now what do you need to do? First thing, go to business settings. Okay, this user is pending, I haven't accepted the request. So the first thing you need to do is click on add account, click on add people. You need to add yourself. You'll find out your name in this list. So give yourself the access to use the add account and click on assign. Okay, after you do this, you will have the permission to use the ad account, and you will be able to see, wait a second, you'll be able to see this ad account, right? Otherwise, if that person is having a brand new business manager, you are going to see an option for creating a brand new ad account. So you need to create a brand new ad account using your own business, or sorry, using his business manager. And the process is exactly the same. Instead of giving yourself the access and adding people to a current ad account, what you need to do is you need to click on this add button over here and click on create a new ad account. Click on this button and start creating a new ad account. Similarly, for pages, for example, I need to add a brand new page to this business manager. Okay, so what I'll be doing, first of all, I'll open up the pages. I'll open up my page, mind for success. I'll copy the link of this page. I'll go back to business settings, click on add a page, click on add a page, copy paste this URL, find my page. Most of the time it's in the bottom. Click on this and click on add a page. That's it. Now you have added all your resources, you have given yourself the access to use your Facebook fan page as well as the ad account. Now you can proceed with creating a video views ads and start warming up this campaign. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much.